The BJP government today announced that 23rd of January, that is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birth anniversary, will be celebrated as Parakram Divas. And joining with me is his grand nephew Chandra Kumar Bose. Sir, the first question to you is like your thoughts on the announcement that was made by Government of India today.
Well, we welcome this announcement made by the central government that 23rd January, Netaji's birthday, would be celebrated as Parakram Divas. But I would also like to add that for many, many years, the people of our great nation, they have celebrated this day as Desh Prem Divas, or Patriots' Day. You see, Mahatma Gandhi had addressed Subhash Chandra Bose as patriot of patriots. So spontaneously, the people of our country, they celebrate this day as Patriots' Day. Of course, we did not get a recognition from the central government. Many political parties have demanded, but I am not really interested in that. What I am interested is what the people of our country want. I think the people of our country would have liked it to be known as Patriots' Day. But anyhow, recognition has been given by the NDA government under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji. We are happy about it. But we would at the same time like to stress that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was not only a national icon, he was a world icon. You see, he was the liberator of India. It was the Azad Hind Fauj which fought the final battle for India's freedom. If not for the Azad Hind Fauj and the INA trials, the loyalty and allegiance of the British forces to the British High Command could not have got destroyed. We would not have got independence in 1947. So we need to really highlight the true history of our India's freedom struggle. This is one. Number two is Subhash Chandra Bose's inclusive ideology. He could unite all communities as one, as Bharatiyas, which he actually implemented in his Azad Hind Fauj. You see, today we find a lot of divisive activities across the nation. It is only Subhash Chandra Bose's inclusive ideology which can again unite the nation. So I have already made a suggestion. I'm a privileged member of this committee formed by the central government. But I think we need to focus on certain areas. Many celebrations are going to be held. We are happy that on 23rd January, the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, is going to come to Kolkata. He would be in this function at the Victoria Memorial. We look forward to this function. But I think Subhash Chandra Bose, the gigantic, towering personality that he had, it cannot be restricted to four walls of a museum. It cannot be restricted by just unveiling his statue. His activities were beyond the shores of India. So the real homage, if we really want to pay to Subhash Chandra Bose, is to adopt his inclusive ideology, his ideology of uniting all communities as Bharatiyas, which is, I feel, the concept of India. So unless this is done, then I think we will fall short of respecting this world icon, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Sir, talking about TMC here, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee as well as Shogata Roy has been telling that it should be Netaji's birth anniversary should be celebrated as Desh Nayak Divas. Your thoughts on that, sir?
Well, you see, different political parties can, put forward their views. But I think the people's view was Patriots' Day. I think people wanted it as Desh Prem Divas. Now, you can give various, different connotations, but the pulse of the people must be taken into consideration before we declare something about Subhash Chandra Bose. But I think we appreciate that Parakram Divas has been declared. It is an honor. But as I have said, the real honor to Subhash Bose is to adopt and practice his inclusive ideology to unite the nation and progress.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us. So that was the grandnephew of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandra Kumar Bose. This is Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary for NewsX, Kolkata.